got the joy to teach you for just about maybe 3 months, right? And I've met you all once around when you were in first semester or second semester, something like that. So most of you maybe I don't really see you in class, but it's okay. You don't want to listen, go to sleep, right? So basically, it's like just came about like 3 months ago. It's like you're just watching some sort of series, and then you don't watch from the first season. You just come in and you watch from somewhere in the middle of the plot, and then towards the finale, I became attached to all of you. Now, if you remember during class, I had taught you calculation of percentages, right? Now, with that, if you remember, I had a brilliant idea of asking you to come over to the board and solve the equations, right? And then you guys had this mild panic, and then you had a very creative way of solving all those percentages, in the sense that even you made a mistake in multiplication, 6 times 8, sometimes you've forgotten, right? But anyway, from that, it showed that you were willing to learn. You came even though you had a little social anxiety, you had a little mild panic. You still showed dedication. You still showed willingness to come forward and face all those fears. Okay? So we, the teachers of the sociology department, we thank all of you, for always being there, for always supporting us as teachers, and as you move ahead, whether you want to do your masters or pursue something that you really love to do. Like we had some of you tell us that you loved photography, so you go ahead with that. Okay, like Miss said, not to fear anything in life. Go forth with what you want to do in life. Okay, so we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Not only just carry knowledge, but carry yourself, carry your confidence. Be sincere, and maybe occasionally carry a calculator here and there. Do your multiplications. Okay, so we thank you all so much, and all the very best for your final exams.